Hello friends! It is so important that we continue to practice our letters and sounds every single day, just like we would in a classroom. So I've put together this review of our letter sound cards that we would normally use in circle time. So I'm going to say the name of the letter, the picture, and the sound, and then after I'm done reading the card, you are going to repeat what I said. Okay, ready? A, apple, A. Your turn. Good. B, bear, B. C, cat, K. D, duck, D. E, egg, F. F, fish, F. G, gate, G. H, house, H. I, iguana, I. J, jar, J. K, kite, K. L, leaf, O. M, monkey, M. N, nest, N. O, octopus, aw. P, pig, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rainbow, R. S, sun, S. T, turtle, T. U, umbrella, V, van, V. W, wagon, W. X in fox, X. Y, yo-yo, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Great job, friends. So you can turn this video on whenever you want to review. You could do it every single day in the morning or afternoon. That would be great practice for you. Or you could turn it on whenever you need a reminder of our letters and sounds. I'll see you next time.